Hello, my learned colleagues. In this lesson, we are going to learn geometrical construction using a question from IGCSE past paper for 2019, paper 1 in the core curriculum, October-November, question 23 to be precise. And I'm referring to 0580, paper 13. Nice number. I'm talking about the code number now. Let me show you. Here's the code number. That is October-November 2019. Paper 13. This is a paper I'm referring to here. Paper 13. And the question is on geometrical construction. It says the scale drawing shows a triangle ABC. The scale is 1 centimeter, represents 8 kilometers. Using a straight edge and compasses only, construct the bisector of angle ABC. The bisector of angle angle BAC rather. Angle BAC is this very angle here, this one. That's BAC. So okay, we are referring to this angle here, this angle. This angle is the BAC. So to bisect an angle, we'll first of all make an arc at that very point. With my steep point on the angle in question, let me adjust my compass very well. I'll place my steep point at point A and then make an arc there because I want to bisect that angle. So I'll make an arc there. That's my arc. Now, with my compass open a little bit, I'll place the steep point on one of the end of the arc and then draw another arc. I'll move my steep point to the other end of the arc and then cut the arc previously drawn because I want to bisect this very angle here. That is the step in bisecting an angle. First of all, place the steep point of the compass at the point or at the angle in question. Make an arc here. Then move the steep point to the arc you have drawn. Place the steep point on one end of the arc. Make another arc. Then move the steep point to the other end of the arc and cut the arc you draw. Where the 2 point or where the 2 arcs intersect, place your ruler and connect the point of intersection of those arcs to the angle in question. That will be the bisector of the angle. So I'll join them. That is the bisector, because the question says, so using a straight edge and compasses only, construct the bisector of angle BAC. And that is what we have just done. We have bisected angle BAC. Then the B part of the question, draw the locus of point. Draw the locus of point inside triangle ABC that are 56 kilometers from C. 56 kilometers from C. This is C here. So we want to draw a locus of point that is 56 kilometers away from this very point. Now, referring back to the scale of the drawing or the drawing, the scale is 1 centimeter to 8 kilometers. So what will be this 56 kilometers? What will be its equivalent in centimeter? Let's work that out here. If 1 centimeter is equal to 8 kilometers according to the scale, then S centimeter will be 56 kilometer, which we are trying to convert to centimeter. So using simple proportion, S will be as 56 times 1 centimeter divided by 8 kilometer. So S is 56 divided by 8. Now 56 divided by 8, that will be 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter. So we will draw a locus of point that is 7 centimeter away from point C. How can we do that? Take our compasses, measure 7 centimeter with the aid of a ruler. Place a stick point on the end or the beginning of the ruler and then stretch the pencil point to 7 centimeter. Okay, that is my 7 centimeter there. Then place the stick point on point C, since we are trying to draw a locus of point that is 7 centimeter away from point C. Make sure you don't adjust the measurement with your hand. You make a locus of point by making an arc that is 7 centimeter away from point C. So those are the locus of point there with this arc there drawn. Now, the last part of the question says shade the region, that is question C, shade a region inside triangle ABC that is more than 56 kilometers from C and nearer to AC than to AB. So what are the points that satisfy that? Say more than 56 kilometers from C. So all these points here are more than 56 kilometers from C. Remember, from here to here is 56 kilometers according to our scale, which is equivalent to 7 centimeters here. And if from here to here is the 56 kilometers, then anything outside that place, all this side here, is more than 56 kilometers from point C. But the question says that the point or the region we are to shade should be nearer to AC than to AB. Where is our AC in the first place? This is AC here, and this is AB here. So the point we are to shade should be closer or nearer to AC than to AB. So all of these points here, remember this line we drew earlier, which is a bisector of angle BAC, divided this shape into two. So all this side up here are nearer to AB than all this side down here. The side down here are nearer to AC than to AB. So the point or the region that satisfies these two conditions here, condition number one must be more than 56 kilometers from C, which is all this region here. All this region here more than 56 kilometers from C. And then the condition number two should be nearer to AC than to AB. All of this side here. So the only side that satisfies that or those conditions are this region here. So I'm going to shade this region here. Okay. So this region here is the region that satisfies this requirement, more than 56 kilometers from C, and then nearer to AC than to AB. So that is how to answer a question like this. And that brings us to the end of this very lesson.